I can't see anything because it's...
Oh, I got the real hiccups.
Okay. You can keep guessing.
North America. Not You're a robot. It's not a bird?
No, it's not a bird.
Is it? Which hiccups are so bad. Let's see. Are we switching now?
Lisa and I are switching.
Ow! Ow! It's so bad. Let's see. Not
Not a buffalo.
a buffalo. Is it a quadruped?
You're the second person
It
with the meat
has-
in my car.
It is a quadruped, but it does not stick to it all the time.
Because I couldn't find a parking spot, I thought I was going to have parallel park, so I was like, just give me this.
Not all the time. A demon here? I guess I ran out of time legs. Jeez. Ow! Damn! I got hiccups real bad, guys. I have hiccups real bad because I was laughing. Hey, is that our friends?
That's a black man.
That's not our friend.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Don't kill
Okay.
my car.
Not all the time. A human?
I don't believe you.
What isn't a quadruped all the time? Other than like a walking fish.
I guess it's a quadruped.
It doesn't even have feet, so it's not really.
It's got...
I'm gonna react.
This is definitely Courtney's mix. It hurts so bad. Stop it.